Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing the noise, it's because my baby girl is actually having fun right now with her dad. And I enjoy finding different gift ideas for different people. And for Mother's Day, I think these are the classic Mother's Day gifts. So I have so many gift ideas for you guys. I kind of took actually another one because this is very important. And these are classic gift ideas, and then some of them actually you could just easily access and buy it in the stores, in the SM malls. And of course, I will not really forget about these classic things with the intention of gifting it to even other mothers that I really like to share to. So let's start with beautiful bedsheets because mothers like some things that would to look neat, things that will look organized, look classy, and these are cotton bedsheets. They're actually cats. I love them. I use them so much, and it's been great. I actually already have a lot of cat bed sheets, different designs that I've been enjoying. That's why I don't really need more, so I'm good with the bed sheets. But there are different sizes there that I will link down below for you guys and what preference you have. And with that, with bed sheets, any mom would love a fleece blanket. These are the samples of fleece blanket that I have. These are super soft, and it's like a nice when you want like a cozy day, a date out, or a date night inside the house. Just like a nice comfy blanket, and then just relax with a nice cup of coffee or tea or hot chocolate, and then you have a nice sweet night of movies. It's just great. And honestly, with fleece blankets, a lot of people actually love enjoying getting fleece blankets because it's such a nice thing to get. And of course, it's very comfortable as well. And I have so many finds in Shopee that are good quality that I will link down below. With that, I am also enjoying for comfortable night ins is actually tea. I love these too. These are great gifts because you can easily buy them in the grocery. And like I said, I want for mothers or anyone to actually enjoy getting their gifts. So if a person really loves tea, I think really good tea will be nice. So these are both from H&H Herbal and Health and Heather, H&H Herbal Wisdom. So this is the organic green tea ginger and also the organic lemon and ginger. I love this both because they are relaxing, and of course it also actually relaxes the throat. With regarding to your day-to-day of a mother, it's very tiring, and the heat nowadays when you lack a bit of water, and this one helps relax your throat. So this is great, and it also helps with the digestive system. So I suggest this. And for like a pack of this, you have already 20 herbal sachets. I think around 200 or 180 plus. It depends on where you guys buy it because sometimes the prices do change. But these are good affordable gifts that you could give to your mom. And aside from that, if your mom is more of a coffee person, find them a nice, great pour down brew. Like you could just pour it kind of coffee grounds because it will be easier and you don't need to really buy the coffee maker. But if they do have the coffee maker, that's better. But how about getting them a nice premium coffee because it will also be kind of a nice luxe kind of treat for your mom. But I'm a person who's not really obsessed about different types of coffee, but I do like making coffee for my husband, so I'll be playing around as well. But for now, I actually enjoy having tea because it helps relax and calms the energy, especially since mothers have a lot of stimulants all throughout the day. With regarding to drinking coffee and tea, of course you need mugs, and I have a lot. But I'll just show you a couple of my favorites, and you've seen this one that was on here, and this one is gifted actually by my hubby. This is a Behind Every Great Daughter, a truly amazing mom. It's very cute. I think he got this in fully booked. It's just adorable because I think you guys know about this one. It's just a nice cup. This is such a nice, sweet thought. Like I said, just something simple that really reminds you of your mom, of your grandmother if you wanted to gift them. So this is a nice gift. And another mug that I'm obsessed with. You have to get to know your whoever you're gifting it to because there's like personality there. If they like tea and coffee and you don't know what to give them as a tea and coffee, get them a mug. And me, I love cats. I love my cat so much. I do love my dogs too, but everybody knows that I have beautiful 5 cats and they're just amazing. But that's why this one I am so obsessed. As you can see, this one is just from the SM department store, in the mug section, and this is so cute because like there's like chubby cats, there's spotted cats, there's striped cats, there's thin cats, and there's also cats with black tail. They are just adorable. And this one is a version with the microwave safe. So this one is great. This is from Home Gallery. They have the best mugs. They have different decorations and designs that fit anyone's personality. So you can find the perfect mug for your mom, for whoever you're going to gift it to. So I suggest this. Another mug that's my recent favorite at the moment during this spring season, just more relaxing, is actually this pretty cutie. It's actually a big mug compared to the smaller one that I have. But oh yeah, yeah, it is. It fits a lot more. But this one's actually more affordable. But this is not microwave safe. So this is I'm enjoying having tea and then just brewing the tea here from hot kettle. I actually enjoy this pretty mug here. It's like very vintage looking. It's a nice design. It's also very unique. It has that kind of aura and I love it so much. And this is also from SM department store. Near the home gallery are all the mug sections right there. And last but not the least about this video is perfumes, and I love this so much. This is the Sweet Night. This is Serene Grove fragrance mist, and I love this because it's refreshing. It's also cool to the smell. It's not a strong potent smell, and I think it's also nice for an everyday, for your mom, for whoever you're going to give it to. And I'm obsessed with this, although the reason why I just use a couple of it yet because I'm finishing the other one that I have, the pink one, because that's also nice for a day to day. But I love this also. I will link both because they're in just like one shop, one selection in Shopee. I will link both down below because this, you could find the perfect perfume for your mom. This one just smells so good. It smells like a relaxing flower. That's what I can define it to be. But like I said, this is a very nice scent and I would recommend it so much. And one more customizable thing that I actually enjoy, because since I started using an iPhone because it was gifted by my uncle, I enjoy looking for beautiful phone cases because iPhone had a lot more beautiful selections, and I found the perfect one. And again, if you know me, I have a beautiful cat there. I have a beautiful cat case. This is so cute. I found this also in Shopee. There's so many. I would try to maybe link a few down below where you can find different selections and design. But this one is just simple. It's not, I don't think it's hard case, but it does the trick and it protects. Plus it's actually embossed up so it's not gonna hit the lens as well as the screen. And I love this phone because there's so many cats on it. I will try to find a lot more and actually gifted cat cases as well because they're just so cute, and I have a lot of families who loves cats, so I'm having the time of my life finding different phone cases for them. So also a nice thing for you to customize is different phone cases depending on the personality of whoever you're gifting it to. And that's about it. I actually enjoy sharing a bit of this gift ideas for you guys. As you can see, I've kind of changed up a couple of different setups in the closet or in the walk-in closet, office closet thing. And I love displaying my spring colored bags. And I've been enjoying creating videos that will help you guys gift more to your family, to whoever is coming up to this Mother's Day, as well as to give advices on where you can find affordable things that is not going to break the bank. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!